A pinch of kosher salt. Oh, salt. So you're gonna cut the joints. Right at the joint. I don't think I'm putting, oh, there it is. Ugh! Why is this so hard? He said he could feel it. Hold on, let me see. I'm cutting at the joint. Oh, this is not, that's not it. You add the flour. Is that too much? I don't know. You don't want raw flour paste. I don't know if I did that right. Like, I never baked garlic bread. You mince garlic and put it on garlic bread. What does it mean to minced garlic? What is that? Oh, it smells very garlicky. I think maybe I put maybe just too much. I'm trying not to like overwhelm. We'll offer it up, and now we'll dip the onion into the salt water. Okay. Time to make the pasta. I don't know if this is it, you guys. Gosh, I really am bad at making sauces. This is really like a science project that I just don't know if I'll ever be good at. The thing is getting stuck in my whisk.
You cook like a fucking baby. What happened again, chef? Get out!
This is like more chunky than probably needed. Oh no, I'm spilling. Okay, we're gonna just put the whole thing in. I'm kind of gave up on. Make it a little sweet, so it might be a little like almost sweeter matzo ball. So we're gonna try this. I didn't. So the song